Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain or I am going to show you some websites or some physics related animation websites where you can use that animations to explain physics concepts effectively. So first I'll explain you what are the animations and how the animations are useful to get understood the physics concepts well. So first I would like to show you, so what is the meaning of an animation. So for example, if you would like to explain the dispersion of light, you need to give some basic definitions, but if you could show this animation, the student he can easily understood what is the meaning of actually the meaning of the dispersion. So you can easily explain the concept of dispersion by showing this animation. So as you could see there, the white light, the white particle is dispersing into 7 constituent colors. So this is the power of an animation. And for example, if you take the second example, so if you want to explain the lateral displacement of light when it is passes through the glass slab. So as you all know, when the light passes through the glass slab, it will move, it will displace to the other side. So that can also be explained by using these beautiful animations. So what is my intention is, by using animations we can explain the concepts more effectively, and the physics concepts can easily understood from its basic concepts, so that we no need to be memorize the concepts. So once you understood the concept, it will be in your mind till your till your lifetime. So that is the strength of the animation. So today I would like to show you some websites where the physics animations are available. So some I will show you some around 9 websites, so where you will get almost all physics related animations up to class 12 and also for BTech. So the first website I would like to show you, the PHET physics, yeah, one moment, yeah. So so all these websites I will give in the comment section, so no need to note down the web address, website address. So all these websites, the link addresses I will mention in the comment section. If you want, you can just click on the comment section, that will redirect you to the website. So first I would like to introduce this website, the PHET interactive simulations. So in this website, so there are plenty number of physics animations are available. So for example, so these are all the physics related animations. So I will show you. So these are all animations. So there are so many number of animations are available here. For example, how these animations are going to be work, I will show you. So for example, if you want to learn or if you want to teach how the bending of light will happen, so you can just click on the bending of light. If you want to see the animation of bending of light, you can just click on the bending of light. And remember, no need of extensions to be added to run these animations. So these animations will work on this website only. So you just click on the play button. So yeah, so yeah, it is coming, just wait, yeah. So once you click on the play button, it will show the animation, it will load the animation. Yeah, it is loading. Yes, so there are 3 animations are available. So the reflection and refraction of light animation, prism animation, and the another tools. So now I am going with the introduction, intro animation. Yeah, so see here, there are, as you all know, if you want to explain the reflection or the refraction of the light ray, you need at least 2 medium. So this is one medium, this is the other medium. So you just press on the button, so the light ray will come in. So here you can change the orientation of the, if you can change the orientation of the light ray. So when you are changing the orientation of light ray, what is happening? Some part of light is reflecting, the other part of light is refracting. So in this way you can explain the concepts of reflection and refraction by using this animation. And the another advantage of animation is you can change here the refractive index of the mediums. So lively, you can change the refractive index of the medium lively, so that the student would be able to understood what is the importance of the refractive index. So for example, this is the medium 1 and this is medium 2. Initially the medium 1 is an air, but now I am changing this medium 1 to, let me say, the glass. Now see what is happening, it is total internally reflecting. So if I change the orientation of the light source, so what is happening, at a particular angle it is total internally reflecting. So in this way you can effectively you can effectively explain the concepts by using the simulation. So using a simulation you can easily understood the physics concepts and you can easily explain the physics concepts as well. So this is one of the animation in VHET. Similarly, there are plenty number of animations are available here. You can go with an animation whatever you want, you can just play the animation, you can show to the students, or you can you can understood by yourself also. So there are so many number of animations. So see here, so there are so many number of animations. So around 106 animations are available related to physics. So here, see here, this is a simple and effective animation of black body spectrum, so which is very useful for the BTech students. And so see here, this is the electric field animation, and here it is how the capacitor does work. So how does capacitor work, this is the animation, and this is color coding animation. So like this there are so many animations are available. So for example, here you see here, usually the physics teachers or the students are face more problem to understand electromagnetic effect, which means while moving a magnet, electric field will be, electric current will be generated. So how does it happen? So there are so many confusion, but all the confusions can be solved by using this simple animation. So try to look at the animation. Yeah, it is loading. And remember, no other installations are required to run these animations. All the animations will run in your browser only, and some of the animations even run in your mobile screen also. So but for the better, for the effective understanding, for effective running of an animation, use a laptop or system. Yeah, let's take time. The loading of animation will depends on your system. My system was a little slow. So sorry for the delay. Yeah, it's coming. Usually it will not take this much time, but it is taking. Yeah, it is coming. Yes, okay. So this is a Faraday cylinder, pickup coil. Okay, so when I move the, you see here, so what is happening when I move the bar inside into the coil? So what is happening? An electric current is inducing. So this is what the Faraday's explained. So this is how the simulation work out. So if I move fastly, so see here, see there, the glowing of bulb is increasing, which means if I move fastly, the more current will be induced, and the intensity of current is also, the glowing bulb of also increased. So this is how simulation is work out. So this is all about due to time limit, means I need to explain more websites also, about the more websites also. So this is the first website. What is that website? Yeah, PHET interactive simulations website. I'll also give in the comment section. You can go to the another simulations part and you can try all the simulations whatever you needed. And going to the second website. Yeah, so going to the second website, this is the second website, viswak.cz physicsanimatio.php. So this website is also, yeah, so this is the website which I have mentioned there. So viswak.cz, this animation web link also I will give in the comment section. Here also there are plenty animations are available which are related to mainly 10 plus 2 physics level. Mainly all the animations are related to 10 plus 2 physics levels. So for example, I will show you a simple animation which is related to circular motion, or SHM, circular motion. So you see here, this is the circular motion animation. I will show you, wait 2 minutes. So how does this animation work out? I will show you. So as you all know, SHM, simple harmonic motion, which is a very important type of motion. So as you all know, the definition itself is a complicated one, the simple harmonic motion. So that simple harmonic motion is easily explained here, you see here. So this is a simple harmonic motion, this is a spring motion which is also related to the circular motion, and you please see here, if I turn to this side, yeah, so see here, see what is happening. Yeah, so this is something like balls are moving up and down, but these are oscillatory motions. So see, so for example, if I turn the disc to the other side, so one ball is moving in circular motion, the other ball is moving in linear motion, but these two motions are looking like the same when I dim the light. So as you all know, simple harmonic motion is also a circular motion, but it will oscillate. So how does a simple harmonic motion is look like a circular motion is explained here. So this is something like an animation. So like this, there are plenty number of animations are available here. You can go through these all animations. So for example, I will show you one more animation. So these are all animations are available. For example, this is induction, just now I have shown you there. So the same animation also available here. You can use either one, anyone you can use. So here it is the light dispersion animation. Yeah, and I will show you one animation. Yeah. So as you all know, Newton cradle, that is also here. Yeah, so this is mechanical related, which means center of gravity. How does center of gravity work out? So see here, so if I, so this is, see here, so this is center of gravity. If I move the center, if I bend the structure out of the center of gravity, what will happen? You please just see. So see, it is falling. So something like this. So something like these are almost, so almost every animation, almost every physics related animation under 10 plus 2 level, almost every animation is available here. For example, oscillation in U-tube, U-shaped tube. How does animation, the water level oscillate in U-tube, U-type tube? So this is types of oscillatory motions. So see how water level also are oscillating. So this is that animation. So something like this. So there are n number of animations are available. You can make use of it. This website name is vasvak.cz. I will give this link in the comment section. So the next website I would like to show you. Yeah, the next website I would like to show you. One moment, I will show you. Hold a moment, I will show you. Just a moment. Okay, so yeah, previously I have shown you the website, two websites which are related to general physics animations, and also I have shown you some one or two light animations, but here I am showing you a website where exclusively you can play with the optics or you can play with the light rays. So I will show you that website. Literally you can play with the light. So see, I will show you the animation. Wait 2 minutes. Yeah. 2 minutes, it is loading. So this is the website where you can play with the optics, which means light rays,